Why or returns true if the first element is true, but any still checks all element even if the first element is true. I thought any could also return true as long as it finds the first true element in the iterable, but why it still checks all elements? Won't it lead to a worse runtime?
You're correct, any DOS short circuit only evaluates as much as needed, but as Alphason said, you're creating the 1-0 error when you try and insert it into a list. To show the delayed evaluation, you'd have to do something like what I put in the comments or
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.